Hello everyone, X365.ai here again. The mining of X365.ai is going to start in exactly 20 days time. X365.ai mining will start in 20 days time. I told us in my first and second video where I introduced us to it where I look at an analysis, analyzing whether it is a scam or not. Then secondly, I did another video talking about the white paper. Then thirdly, I did another video um, talking about the round that they are in now, where you can buy at $0.00045. But the anticipated listing price is higher than that. So if you have the money, you can buy now while you await the listing price. So you buy low and sell high. Now, the information I brought today is about the mining of S365.ai. Just now, they brought out the information that mining of S365.ai coin is going to start in 20 days time. The mining of S365.ai, the coin, is going to start in exactly 20 days time. So what are you to do since you know that mining is going to start in 20 days time? So you get yourself ready. People have been asking that, are we going to mine? Are we going to do this? Initially, they came out, when you join, you get 500 tokens. Then you refer people. That went on for like 15 days. And in that 15 days, I had about 300 referrals, and you are one of them if you have already joined using my link. And I thank you for that. So you also should share your own link and get referrals. The more referrals you get, the more tokens you get. This token that they're asking people to buy, to pay for now, I got a lot of them for free. So you also can do that for free by sharing your link. And I've talked about that. You don't need to be ashamed while you are talking about how to make money online or offline. Now, your friends that are close to you will be looking at you because they know you. They'll be looking at you that, are you sure of this? Are you sure of that? And if you mind them, what will happen is that you are not going to be able to do what you're supposed to do. So as I'm recording this video now, I traveled for a program, for a conference somewhere, and I got the information. And as you can see, I'm making this video from my hotel room because some people think that we're just trekking up and down and talking about money online, and we don't have any money. So deliberately, I'm showing you the screen and some other part of my hotel room so that you can know that we are not joking when we are talking about crypto airdrop and others. The plate you are seeing at the back is the plate of my food, which I ate out of it and is left over there. So you can also see the water bottle on top of it. And so we are very serious talking about crypto. We are not joking about it. Now, in 20 days time, mining will start because people have been asking what is S365. They are bringing out their programs in phases. The first thing they did was to tell us about the program, and all you need to do is to join and get 500 tokens. The next thing is to refer people and get points, tokens for referring. Then the next thing you're going to do is you can buy the tokens at very low price now. That started yesterday. Today again, they brought out the next thing that if you don't want to buy token, wait for the mining to start. But if they are selling token at $0.000045, that means the listing price is going to be more than that. So if you have the money, take advantage and buy. The exact date for the listing is not known. They are bringing out everything in phases. So at the start, I told you, prepare. And some people are looking that, oh, this thing is risky, is this? Yes. Every investment involves risk. But with the way this one is going, it is a calculated risk. So determine what you want to do. If you want to wait for the mining, by the time mining starts, I'm sure the price will have gone up. Then with time, you're going to start what is called the pre-market price. This is a pre-market price directly like from the farm. So S365 himself is the farm. They are giving it at this price. By the time the days for these labs and the mining start, the price may go up. And then by the time it hits the exchange, the price will be more than that. Because if the farmer is selling a product at so price, you can imagine how much to be sold in the market. So take advantage of all this information that I'm sharing with you at this time. And I don't want you to dull yourself at all. Don't dull yourself. As it is said in my language, ma dull ara re. So don't dull yourself. Take advantage of this information and position yourself for money making on X365.ai. So this is the time in 20 days' time. People have asked me, what is it? What is it? As the event unfold, if they did not said what they want to do next, I will not have anything to say to you. But the moment they say this is what they want to do next, then I will have information for you. And the moment I get the information, I'm going to bring it. I just got the information just now. And my part of my job is to bring the information to you. And that is exactly what I am doing in this video. So I'm sure you are going to prepare yourself and position yourself. Don't dull yourself. If you have not started, you have not joined and started referring people, don't let people that you're supposed to refer to come and be referring you. That time you will not get referral because many people will have been referred and will have joined. When you talk to this one, you say, I have joined. This one I have joined. It's like pie. Many people don't know about pie. People are just mining it sometimes silently. And some people will look at me, people like me that, why am I telling people about this thing? Why am I telling people? What I'm telling people is that I'm not used to talking to people one-on-one about referrals. But I can record it and then send it out to whom it may concern. And people have been gathering around it because people around them too, everybody is busy. But no matter how busy you are, people can access their phone. In referral program like this or any other referral, don't depend on people you know alone, except it's a kind of referral. This kind of referral don't depend on people you know alone. Go on your Twitter handle, post your referral information about the project, different project that you are doing, post it. Go on your TikTok, go on your Instagram, go on your Facebook, talk about it. Don't be ashamed. By the time the tokens start coming, you are going to be glad you did. The amount, even with the 0.00045 that they are selling S365 coin at the moment, token at the moment, if I'm going to convert the token I've gotten to at that rate, I'm making more than about $30 already. $30. And you know it's going to now, if it's now come to 0.045, that means I'm going to make more than $200 already. And then it has not even hit the ground running. Now mining will start, I will also mine. And then the people that I've invited will make my mining rate to increase. And many more. So please wake up. This does not disturb your work you are doing. Where are the conference I came for now? I'm recording this. We are waiting to have our dinner. You are having a general dinner together and they are setting up and rain is drilling and they set the table in the public and we are waiting for everything to go down so that we can be invited to come out and eat. And you can imagine, I'm in the hotel room now recording this, so it doesn't take anything from you. The moment I'm done recording, I try to do some minor editing on my phone. Then I get out and attend the program. And if program is not starting, I can upload the video and then you are going to see. So you also can do this using your free time. Let me tell you, your brain needs to be used. So this kind of app mining and other things is a way to utilize your brain. And there's a lot of things you can do. You analyze films, movies, Yoruba movies, Igbo movies, Hausa movies, different kind of movies. So why can't you also be involved in the mining of these things? And all the movies you watch, do you make money from them? No. You can make money from this. So why can you not involved? So get involved today and you'll be glad you did. I'm going to talk to you in the next one. Until then, please, if you have not joined the X365 mining app, click the link in my description and in my comment section and use my referral link to join. And then as you invite other people, the moment you join, you get 500 tokens for free. And then if you have money, you can buy the tokens at the giveaway price they're selling it from yesterday. Maybe in a few weeks' time, the sales will stop. Then mining is going to begin. So let's take the challenge and start early. I'll talk to you in the next one. Until then, this video popping up by the side from my channel is the next you need to watch now. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.